Ahoy and welcome to Selfmade. Today we mod a Nerf. Some of them have these funny little knobs to load the rifle, and we turn this into a much cooler version with some simple tricks, and here we go. And now important is you grab it here, not just here. Go to hell. Grab it here and then you pull it up. That was harder than I thought, but it's off. On to the next step. This bad boy measures 4.5 millimeters, roughly, not even. So M4 threaded round bar will go in just fine. So now we fabricate a new grip and something to hold the other side, and here we go. I will use this piece of aluminum for the new handle, and yeah, you can probably buy it on eBay. Just buy a piece of aluminum round bar, and you're good to go. I turn it down on my lathe a bit, and also in here to make sure I can lay in a tiny piece of plastic to make sure it doesn't rub off the plastic of the gun housing. You can still glue one on, you don't really need the inlay thing. So yeah, and now let's put in a hole. This is my set of thread cutters and the matching drill bits, and we will drill M4 for the M4 round bar with a 3.3 millimeter drill bit, and here we go. And that's our hole, and now we cut a thread. I always put some regular cooking oil on the tip. No matter what the experts say, just prevents cold welding, so that will do. A couple of forward and 1/2 back, forward and back, forward and back. And I'll do it real quick because I do this every day 1,000 times, but you should check the verticality when you cut it. It needs to be straight up from this side at 90 degrees turned, and then you can make sure it's vertical. Back in storage. Don't be shy. Alright. It's hiding. How cute. And that way you can actually change your handles, make them fancy, put roses on, color them pink, whatever you want. And now we cut it to length, make another one, tiny nuppsi for the other side. And here we go. And I'll do it just like this. Not too complicated. Just a tiny zip. Zip. And you pull it out. And then you cut it off. And I like to turn it, spin it when I cut it. That way you get a tiny nuppsi in the middle, into the hot, hot, hot. Don't be such a pussy. And now, that's just how much we need. And now I get myself another piece of aluminum and make another one of these, just much shorter. And done. I turned down a hex bar to this nuppsi. And now you can load it like a man. Much better than those whatever this is, cones. Nerf like a dude. And I'm afraid that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked it. I don't paint it because I will turn this bad boy into a heavy sniper for somebody. And yeah, if you like this, if you want to see more Nerf, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.